Logo, LG. Text, life's good.
How to backup contacts from an LG phone to Google.
The home screen of an LG phone.
You can backup and sync your contacts from your LG phone to your Google account, which will make them accessible from any device where you are logged into your account. It will also ensure that you never lose your contacts, even if you lose your phone.
The instructor taps the gear icon on the home screen.
On your phone, go to Settings, then tap on Google, then tap on Backup.
She scrolls down to Google account data.
Under Account, verify that the correct Google account is showing. If it isn't, then tap on it and tap on Add Account. Now tap on Backup Now.
A bar appears at the bottom of the screen that reads, "Backing up your data."
Once the backup is completed, tap on the name of the backup. Usually the device model number is the name. This will show what was backed up and when. If you need further assistance, please visit lg.com/us/support.
Logo, LG. Text, life's good. Learn more at LG.